We're just putting some finishing touches to the tuning here, so we'll give them a moment to get organised, and we'll take a little look backwards. Because we've been mentioning the Cayley bands who won 3 in a row. There were other Cayley bands who won 3 titles, but not necessarily in a row. The Bridge Cayley band, they won 6 titles: 1970, 73, 74, 1992, 1996, and 1997. The Long Range Cayley band won 3 titles: 1977, 78, and 1982. In addition to winning 3 in a row, the old Kilford Order Cayley band, we call them, won a 4th title in 1961. The Shibsa won 2 other titles in 1989 and 1990. And the Ormond won another title in 1984. You already heard that? Okay, well, we'll continue this piece of useless information at a later time. But meanwhile, would you put your hands together with a big welcome, please, to the Táin Cayley band.